Hi students, this is my channel Chemistry Forever. In this previous classes we discussed about hybridization, trick to find out hybridization in that part 1 and part 2. Now how to find out hybridization for ions. In case of ions, if you will get a question for ions how to find out hybridization by using that same trick. Now we are going to discuss to find out trick to find hybridization for ions. How to find? What is a trick? See here. If you take an example for NH4 plus, this is an ion, compound ion. In this, how to find out hybridization for nitrogen? So we know very well what is the central atom here. Nitrogen is a central atom. So valence electrons of nitrogen. How many valence electrons, students? 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 3. So there are 5 valence electrons. Is it clear? So now see here I am writing valence electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here see plus means what? It's a loss of electron plus 1, right? So 1 electron you have to remove. So only we have 4 electrons remaining. Now the process is same. Which atom is attached to that nitrogen? Hydrogen. So what is the valency of hydrogen? Valency of hydrogen is 1. Means what? It will form one bond with 1 electron. We have 4 hydrogen atoms. So 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 sigma bonds present here. Clear? So there are 4 sigma bond means which hybridization? 1 plus 3, that is sp3 hybridization. We will try another example. H3O plus. H3O plus. So in this, what is the central atom, students? Yes, oxygen is a central atom. So what is the valence electrons in oxygen? How many valence electrons? 1s2, 2s2, 2p, 4. There are 6 valence electrons. So valence electrons are 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again here plus H3O plus hydronium ion. In this plus means what to do? We have to remove 1 electron. Next step is which atoms are attached here? Hydrogen. So valency of hydrogen is 1. Valency 1 means 1 bond. We have 3 hydrogen atoms. 1, 2 and 3. Here one more, 1 extra lone pair. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are totally 4 sigma bonds. 4 sigma bond means which hybridization, students? It is sp3 hybridization. Shall we try another example? SO4 minus 2. So here minus 2. Minus 2 means what is the difference? So there plus means loss of electron. Here minus means gain of electrons. Here how many electrons? 2 electrons has to increase. See here. If what is the central atom here? Sulfur. How many valence electrons in this? Neon of 3s2, 3p, 4. There are 6 valence electrons here. So I am writing valence electrons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here we have minus 2. Minus 2 means what? We have to increase 2 more electrons, right? See 1 and 2. Now process is same. Which items are attached to this? Oxygen. So what is the valency of oxygen? Valence of oxygen is 2. Means what? 2 electrons can form bonds with 1 oxygen. See here, these 2 electrons form bond with 1 oxygen. It's a double bond. In that we have 1 sigma and 1 pi. How many oxygens we have, students, here? There are 4 oxygens. So 1 is over and second oxygen, third oxygen and 4 oxygens. So totally how many sigma bonds? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 sigma bonds and 4 pi bonds. We have to consider for hybridization only sigma bonds. So there are 4 sigma bonds. 4 sigma bond means 1 plus 3, sp3 hybridization. Is it clear, students? Next I will give an example. In last class, in the last explanation, I gave an example I3 minus. So how to do this type of molecules? How to do this type of molecules hybridization? See here. First you have to write that there are 3 iodine atoms are present here. Out of 3, first you take 1 iodine separately and remaining 2 I2 minus. So now the process is same. One iodine act as a central atom and remaining iodines act as a attached atoms. So iodine belongs to 7th group. So there are 7 valence electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here minus. Minus means what? One more electron you have to increase. So after that, what is the step? Valency of attached atom. So here iodine is attached, so valency of iodine is how much? It is a 7th group element, so its valence is 1. Now what will happen? We have 2 iodine atoms are attached and remaining 1, 2, 3. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sigma bonds are present. 5 sigma bond means 1 plus 3 plus 1, that is sp3d hybridization. Is it clear, student? So in case of ions, how to find out hybridization? This is a trick to find out hybridization for ions. Is it clear, students? If you have any doubts, you can ask your doubts in a comment box. Thank you.